Today I have these awesome real leather shoes to show you from COGOBUSH. These boots have been made with cow, crazy horse leather, and cow split suede that can withstand the rigors of riding. The sleek and classic look pairs well with riding gear and can be versatile for everyday wear. When designing these motorcycle shoes, our primary focus was on safety and protection for our feet. Protection starts from ankle guard over here to shield against impacts and abrasions. On the back, we have a strong heel protector, and over that we have a small reflective tape. On the side, we have perforation. This provides adequate airflow to keep your feet cool and dry in warmer weather. Coming to the front, we have protection for gear shift lever. The boot gives a tight fit and is durable while being extremely comfortable. On the bottom, we have a high-quality rubber sole that provides excellent traction on various surfaces. If you want to have any more information, comment down below. If you want to own a pair, there is an Amazon link in the description for you to buy now. I thank you for staying for this long and hope that you will like, share, and subscribe for more videos.